Hello guys, so I'm making another video of the recap of November. It was like very short trip, only 7 days, and even those 7 days was nice. So this is how it came up to, and so basically the gross it was 7,015 cents, and so I had a fuel charge, toll, pre-pass, GPS, insurance, trailer, and this was supposed to be a truck, but I'm gonna pay for a truck a little later on. So I picked up the load from Sacramento. No, from Sacramento. Went to the Haver, pick up a load. Going to Cody, pick up load for 33.50. This is the mileage 13.85, so it came out to 2.42 cents a mile. And then I pick up from Wyoming, going from Worland, Wyoming, going to San Diego, 1965 miles. This is gonna be average cents per mile. Then picked up the load from Moreno Valley, California, and I had 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Sacramento picked up for 1,700 from LA area to Sacramento, California, and that one was 2.38 cents a mile. So at end of it, 7,033 miles. Average came up to 2,100. 7 days. Price. I'm using my GoPro, so it kind of look kind of lame. My Sony wasn't charged, so fuels. Yep. So it was a very nice trip. Plus it's coming to the close to the end of the 2019, so the load supposed to pick up a little bit, but it's not going to be much. So let's try to do December for about 3 weeks for over $2. I hope it's gonna be over $2. If yes, it's gonna be nice. Yep, make more money, right?